Are you a life coach looking to find new clients? Well, guess what? This video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first 10K paydays where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coaching business or more using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going out there and talking about how you can find new life coaching clients, and we're going to be going over the ultimate guide on how to do so. We're going to be going from A to Z on exactly how you can go out there right now and find and generate new life coaching clients for your life coaching business. We're going to be going over how you pick a niche. We're going to be going over how you make sales. We're going to be going over specifically how do you get people in front of you who need your help. Without any further ado, let's go on into the video. All right, so first things first, what is a life coach and why are life coaches going to get paid? If you're a life coach, why are you going to get paid? And the first thing is life coaches are going to be people who solve problems in people's lives. They help people in their lives reach a goal or a solution that they might have, right? A target that they might want to get to. Ultimately, because they want to get to this target, they have problems or obstacles in their way based on where they're at, and you as a life coach is going to be going out there to help them. Usually life coaches are going to work inside of three core markets. These three core markets are going to be health, wealth, and relationships, and we want to make sure that we identify a perfect profitable niche inside these three core markets so that we can go out there inside these three core markets as a life coach inside this perfect profitable niche, and we can serve the people who have this problem every single day. When we do that, right, we are going to be in front of people who need our help and who see us, right, out there in the marketplace, out there online, out there offline, out there in the world, right, demonstrating exactly who it is that we are, what it is that we do, and how it is that we can help them. By doing that every single day, we're going to be showing them specifically as a coach, right, how we can help them get to their goal based on wherever they're at. Because as a coach, right, they're wanting to get here, they're right here, and we're going to play as a guide with our system, our solution, or whatever it is that we can help solve their problem. But we also want to remember, it's not always just about solving the problem. A lot of times, people are going to hire us because we're not only going to help them solve their problem, we're also going to help them solve the problem a lot faster than if they were to do it on their own. So we want to remember, as life coaches, we are going to get paid not just because we're going to help people solve a problem around health, wealth, or relationships, but we're going to get paid because a lot of times we're going to help them solve that problem a lot faster. All right, so we know how and why life coaches are going to get paid, why you're going to get paid as a life coach. We understand what a life coach is. Let's go on specifically into how are you going to be signing up more clients? How are you going to get seen by more clients who are going to want to raise their hand and say, hey, I like what you're doing. I need your help with that thingy, and I need to hire you, pay you money so I can get help with that thingy and doing exactly what you're doing or what you're showing people that you can do, right? Wherever you're seeing them do it. So what we want to make sure that we understand in that little example there is you caught eyeballs. Those eyeballs saw you. They saw you demonstrating exactly what it was. Not what you said you could do. Not what someone else said you could do, but they actually saw you demonstrating what you could do, and then they wanted to talk to you about them being able to do exactly what you demonstrated. And the way that we do this, right, is through profitable presentations. We're going to be talking about how you can run a successful profitable presentation here a little bit later in this video, but what we're ultimately looking to do, right, when we're wanting to sign up the most amount of clients as we can or have the best opportunity to sign up new clients, is we want to make sure that we're demonstrating exactly who we can help by actually going out there and helping them. And in a profitable presentation, we're able to not only just talk about how we can help people, but we're actually able to walk with people, actually able to demonstrate to people, and actually able to help people inside this profitable presentation get help, get a win. And then once we're able to do that, they're going to be one step closer to wanting to work with us and specifically wanting to pay us money to get help with that bigger goal. So we like to make sure that we're demonstrating at mass every single week in front of tons of people, in front of as many people as we can who have that problem. We do that by promoting our profitable presentations every single week, but ultimately we want to make sure that we are demonstrating on a weekly basis consistently how we can help people by actually helping people. And instead of hopping on one-on-one calls with 10 or 12 people every week, which is going to clog up our time and prevent us from working on revenue generating activities as a life coach in our business, we need to make sure that we are out there, right, not just following up with people and trying to get people who we don't even know right on calls. We need to make sure that we are demonstrating in front of a group of people so that we can have the best opportunity to sign up those people at mass and multiple people every single week as a life coach. Before I go into how you can successfully run a profitable presentation and we go over the 3-step selling system that we teach over here at Life Coach Launch, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can sign up new clients and how they can ultimately, create and generate their first 10K payday where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coaching business, life coaching or healing business in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Make sure to click on that button below and subscribe. All right, so let's talk about how you can run a successful profitable presentation and how you can use this profitable presentation to go out there and sign up new clients quickly. Specifically, even your first clients, right? So first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we go through identification and we understand who it is that we're wanting to help, who it is that we're wanting to serve, what problems they have, and ultimately we want to pick the perfect profitable niche that we are wanting to go out there and serve every single day. Once we identify that perfect profitable niche, we want to make sure that we have a life coaching, irresistible life coaching offer that we're going to be able to present to people at the end of this profitable presentation so that we can go out there and present something to them that is going to be able to help them get to that goal, that target that they want to get to. And then last and certainly not least in this piece, we want to make sure that we are out there every single day communicating with people who need our help. And this is why understanding the perfect profitable niche is so important. This is why having that offer is so important, because when we start communicating to people through messaging and our core messages that we create inside Life Coach Launch, or your core messages you're going to create for your life coaching business, where you're going to be out there communicating with people every single day about how you can help them. This is really going to help them start walking towards you, start wanting to come to more of your profitable presentations, and ultimately starting to want to get to more of your help. All right, so now you know a little bit about the identification piece and the first step around, you wanting to go out there and wanting to sign up more life coaching clients using profitable presentations. Now that we have that identification piece down, we have the perfect profitable niche, we have a great offer, and we're communicating with our future clients and with our prospects, we now want to make sure we go out there and plan out a profitable presentation that we're going to get people to come to so that they, can get our help and ultimately have the opportunity to sign up with our coaching services. So what we want to make sure that we do is the first thing we do is we pick a date. We need to pick a date. We need to let everybody know, that we have on our list, that we are connected to on social media, that we're connected to outside of social media, whatever it is. We need to let everybody know that, hey, we picked a date. This is what we're going over. This is what we're going to cover. And this is who we're looking to help. This way you can start getting people, coming toward you and coming toward your profitable presentation very, very early before you ever have to really even promote it. There's a good chance that there's going to be people that you already know that could use that help. And then second, we want to make sure that we actually show up. I know that seems like a really simple thing, but the truth of the matter is over half the people just aren't going to show up. They're going to get scared. They're not, for whatever reason, they're just not going to show up. So by you showing up, you're going to show up for yourself, but more importantly, you're going to show up for your clients. And then last and certainly not least, we want to make sure that we identify the type of profitable presentation that we're going to present. Is it going to be an online summit? Is it going to be an online workshop, an online, an online challenge? Is it going to be a masterclass? Is it going to be a live event? How are we going to do this and how are we going to present it? Because once we understand this, we can then go out there and start promoting it. We can pick that date. We can let everybody know exactly what it is that we're planning on doing and specifically how it is that we're going to be helping them. And then we can show up, and we can start helping people, which is going to start getting them into that yes state and starting to see how you can help them more. All right, Sid. So you're like, all right, man. So you're like, Sid, okay, you've shown me how to run a profitable presentation. How do I actually sign up clients? How do I get my first client? Well, there's 2 ways that we get clients from profitable presentations. Technically, 2.5 ways. I guess I say 3, but basically the first way is that we're going to sign them up at the profitable presentation. We're going to put together what's called a sales stack at the end of this profitable presentation that's going to present our offer. After we help people at that profitable presentation, we're simply just going to ask if they would like to continue getting our help more after we get done with that profitable presentation. And a lot of people typically are going to say yes, especially if you put on a successful profitable presentation following the way that we teach profitable presentations at Life Coach Launch. The second way that we sign up people at profitable presentations is we're going to reach out to them after the profitable presentation, and we're either going to schedule a one-on-one, customization call with what it is that we went over with them at the profitable presentation, or we are going to invite them to the next profitable presentation so that they can have an opportunity to sign up with us again. But regardless, that's where it's like 2.5, 3, because we're technically doing, promoting 3 different things here. But there's 3 different ways that you can see. We can invite them to the next presentation, we can get them on a one-on-one call, or we can simply just sign them up at the presentation. But this helps us target in on the people who are showing us right now that need our help and eliminates us from going out there there and just talking to anybody and everybody, this puts a ring around the people who are raising their hand right now saying they need our help. But ultimately, by doing this every single week, you're going to build a mountain of people who consistently say they need your help, and your mountain of people is going to get more and more, helping you create more impact and ultimately sign up more people as a life coach. Are you a brand new life coach looking to go out there and sign up new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with a brand new free report which talks about the 10 hottest and winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now. This report is going to go over the 10 hottest and most profitable life coaching niches that are out there right now that you can use and you can leverage inside your life coaching business to make more money quickly. Just make sure to click on that link down there in the description and grab my brand new free report that I made just for you that is going to go over with you exactly what the top 10 life coaching niches are right now in the marketplace, making the most money, and how specifically you can use them in your business. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today. I know you choose to win because you're going to click on that link down there in the description and you're going to get started on creating and generating your first 10K payday by going out there and picking a perfect profitable niche down there in that free report down there below. We'll see you in the next video.